Guys, ready na kami kasi pupunta po kami sa US sa post office kasi isasubmit namin yung passport for Gabriel. Kasi si asawa ko guys at saka si Gabriel nag-renew po ng passport nila. And then kay asawa ko is tinanggap online, kay Gabriel lang yung hindi pa dahil nga minor pa siya. Anyway, tara guys. Ito lang yung...
You got the paperwork?
Yeah, I got everything.
You got...
Dito na kami. Hindi naman masyadong malayo. Yan, post office. Tara na, magpila na tayo. Kay ang tagal po nila. Bahala sila sa buhay nila. Full entrance. Ay, closed? Sarado pa ba? Oh, they're still closed. Alam bakit sarado? Dito pa sila. Uy. Come on. I don't know. I think they're closed.
They open it.
Wala sila mag-open. So we should go in line then. Maglinya na kami. Wala pang tao. Ayan, ayan.
Don't smile too much. One.
Tapos na siya nakunan ng picture. Waiting na lang. Hi. Gabriel. Oh, go get the door. Tapos na kami. Ayan. So, total of 100. Thank you, my baby. 150. Go, go. How come it's a little expensive this time? Is it or no? It's the same thing? Okay. Pupunta kami ngayon doon. Stop by muna kami doon sa bahay ng kaibigan ko dahil meron akong kukunin na bayad. Anyway, tapos na po kami. So, waiting na lang kami. It took like, dahil hindi namin pina-expedite, so it's like 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Ugh, that's taking forever. That's okay. So tara guys, let's go. Dito kami sa Bangkao de Oro. Drive-thru lang kami. Kasi nakuha ko na yung bayad ng aking kaibigan. So kailangan nating i-deposit agad. Hi Gab, what are you doing there? So his passport was renewed.
Take off my seatbelt
Why? ¿Por qué?
because I want to move around.
Ask your dad. He's the driver.
I don't even.
You want to move to the other side? You can't take it off because we're
Yeah.
Nah.
getting ready to go.
Wait na lang kami matapos yung isa. Tada! Tingnan natin kung abot ba niya. Abot niya. Mataas ang kanyang kalidad. Charot. What happened here? There's red thing. Guys, so andito na nga pala kami sa bahay, no? Gawa tayo ng coffee. Ganito lang pala. Ay. Di wow. Bakit ganon? What happened? Okay. So, anyway guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Gawa tayo ng coffee. Tapos, alam nyo ba, ang nangyari, kinain yung card ko. Kinain ang card ko. And then, nung pag-deposit namin, so, paano ng mga pera? Charot. Siyempre guys, maghingi lang tayo ng replacement ng card. Tapos, ipapadala nila yan sa atin. Siguro mga 1 week. Pero, wala namang problema kasi yung money na go through naman at saka yung cheque. So, antay lang kami ng konti guys. I'm gonna have my second batch of coffee. And then, punta kami doon sa, I don't know, Gabriel wanted to go to Red Robin, mga burger place, yung pinupuntahan namin before. And then, magkape lang kami, ako, and then we'll go there, guys. But, we're gonna have to charge this first. Let's go. Dito na kami. Order na
See
kami.
the other one?
No, this is kids stuff right here. You want cheese pizza? And then you get
Pili na siya ng kanyang kakainin.
one of those.
I want home style fries.
You want those or mashed potatoes?
No, the mashed potato is the one with skin.
Home style.
You don't like those.
Yeah.
And then a drink.
Alright, ito yung mga menu nila. Same place, guys, like last time. Siya din ready to order na.
Yeah, but what?
What are you having, my amor?
Just getting the 3 for me.
Alright, I'm getting me a, not the same. Where's the one they have? I'm getting this.
That right there?
Yeah.
I guess that's pretty good though.
What are you doing?
That's a full rack.
Order na kami, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna get that one then. just gonna get
if
this.
That's what you want. Why not?
So yours comes with chips?
Hmm?
Yours comes with chips?
Mine?
Yeah.
Chips?
Ito na yung chips. Chips muna ang kanilang nilagay.
Straw?
Try muna natin. The yummy chips. Sarap. I like it.
Better
Thank you,
watch
baby.
wearing gold in public now. It's like $6,000 an ounce.
Dumating na ang kanyang salad. Thank you. Salad nyo, guys. Para healthy.
Can you do it? It's already got a line right there.
Go, Gabe. Slice niya yung kanyang higa pizza.
Hold it like this.
Pizza at saka fries sa kanya.
No, hold it like
Meron
this.
pa kaming chips.
Hold it like this.
And then,
Other hand.
for asawa, he got a burger and fries. Tapos ako,
All right, like this.
para naman something different. Chicken bacon ranch. Ayan. Looks good. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Look,
I will help you, Gabe.
Look.
Inihiwaan siya ng daddy niya ng pizza.
My turn?
It's hot, so
Kain. Ito. First time ko mag-try nito.
all right.
Oh, wow. Yummy, ha?
No.
Pretty good. I like. Hey, wait. Enjoy.
What does FNAF stand for?
Surprise.
I'll get it later.
Mom, what
Thanks.
does FNAF stand
What's this for? I think this is for this, huh?
Mom, what?
Is this for this? I don't know.
Mom,
What?
This?
Yeah, you just kind of. I don't know about putting it in it, but
That's what I said. Bon appetit.
Mom. Mom.
Hmm.
What does FNAF stand for?
Hmm.
What?
What does the FNAF stand for?
Bahay na guys. Kanina pa actually. Couple hours ago. So, nandito na po si Madam. Kumakain po siya ng kanyang lunch. Patalikod-talikod lang siya. And then, guys, ayan. Have my boiled egg and then avocado. Kasi, di ba, nagutom ata ako, guys. And I'm throwing the ground beef para mamaya. We'll see. Here it is. Itlog lang tayo, guys, kasi I think wala akong masyadong protein. Kaya gutom pa rin ako. Kasi ano lang yung kinain ko kanina, di ba? Yung konting ano lang. Basta hindi na full yung belly ko. So, I had to eat this one. Para hindi ako gutom na gutom at makakain ng bongga. Ayan. So, bon appetit. Kain tayo. Shh. Ayan po si Madam. Kumakain na po siya. She's having spaghetti. The one I made.